Hey everyone, it's Joanne. So I received this product from the brand to review, and I want to share with you my honest experience so you can decide if it's the right purchase for you. These are Woodies Walnut Wood Sunglasses with polarized lenses. Now, these come in a nice hard shell case, and once you unzip them, you're going to pull out a nice soft case. So you can carry it around with you without having to worry about scratching them. And the sunglasses, they are real wood walnut finish design, rich and smooth. Honestly, they feel like boutique pair. So they're nice and lightweight, very comfortable. You don't feel pressure on your nose or on your ears. The lenses are polarized lenses, so major glare reduction. They're so they're clear, crisp vision, even in the bright light. I'm wearing them in full sunny day and they work beautifully. So they come with the extras, including the hard shell protective case, the soft case. It has a nice cleaning cloth, so that's going to clean them off in between. It's got some stickers and cute enough, it's got a guitar pick. Now it's not wood guitar pick, but it's so cute. It's with a little palm tree on it. So these are great for guys and girls. They're going to match any outfit, whether casual or sporty or maybe even dress up. So these wood sunglasses are super stylish. They're durable. They're lightweight. They're a premium pair without paying the premium price. Definitely a go-to grab for everyday wear or gifting. You will love them.